Hi there, do you know when a disclaimer is in order or an income disclosure statement in your direct selling company? When you're talking about earning representations, you need both, but at different times of the claim. All right, well, I'm Donna Serritella, the owner of Direct Selling Solutions, which is an agency that teaches direct selling owners how to set up compliance departments and how to maintain them. We also teach independent distributors what they can and can't say when they're representing their opportunity or their product, because there's income claims and there's product claims. We're talking about disclaiming income right here, and in order to use a disclaimer versus an income disclosure statement, you need to know a couple of things. A disclaimer is only a few sentences long, and that can be used for social media, on the bottom of your PowerPoint presentation, on flyers, on sales and marketing materials. The income disclosure statement is a full-page document. It actually outlines how much money the independent representatives are making, both their average and their high and their low, and how much time it takes to reach each of the titles. Now, one thing's for sure about an income disclosure statement: you've got to include all of the distributors, not just the active ones. That's a mistake that companies will make and the regulators will catch. So when you're doing your income disclosure statement, it has to be up to date and truthful, totally truthful. All the numbers must be verifiable. That's for sure, because the regulators will check that. It has to be up to date. Your income disclosure statement is updated on a yearly basis. So every year, about this time of year, maybe make it the first or the middle of the year, update your income disclosure statement. Be sure you include it in all of the material that's provided for your distributors to explain revenue and earnings representations. Well, Kevin Thompson talks about the income disclosure statement quite a bit in my book called Compliance Solutions: What the FTC Won't Tell You, We Will. And Kevin talks about how the company is responsible for serving up the numbers on the income disclosure statement to their distributors, so the distributor can use that income disclosure statement, or IDS as we call it. Kevin also talks about that this document really is the cure-all, the end-all, the Swiss Army knife for a distributor to give income claims. So if you don't have an IDS yet, we need for you to make one up and let your distributors start using it. We're going to talk about what your compliance exposures are on our next Wacky Whiteboard Wednesday and what you can do about them. So join us again. My name is Donna Serritella, owner of Direct Selling Solutions and also the Queen of Compliance. Oops. The Queen of Compliance is watching.